Good morning to one and all present here. Today, we the grade 9 students are going to perform an activity on the topic of Treaty of Versailles on the chapter of Nazism and the rise of Hitler. Introduction. After the World War I ended from 1914 to 1918, the two groups fought the war, which were known as Alliance countries and Axis powers. Alliance countries such as Russia, France, UK, and the later on comes USA were the winners, whereas Axis powers such as German, Austria, Hungary, and Ottoman Turks were the losers. After the monarchical rule ended in the German, the parliamentary form of Weimar Republic came into existence, but the people opposed it, even though it was a form of democratical policies. The Reichstag, a parliament of German, where the Treaty of Versailles was signed between the Alliance countries and the Weimar Republic. These are the following reasons why the Weimar Republic did not accept the Treaty of Versailles.
Germany lost its overseas colony towards Africa. Germany lost its overseas colonies towards Africa because it fought First World War, in which Germany lost, and they set them to sign the Treaty of Versailles. And after signing the Treaty of Versailles, they forced Germany to give all its overseas colonies. Thank you.
1/10 of the people were dead. During the First World War, Germany lost their most of the population. Thank you.
13% of territories were given to 13% of territories were given to Alliance power, 75% of iron ore, 36% of coal and land were given to France, Poland, Denmark and Lithuania. Thank you.
Allied power demilitarized the German and took out the armies from the borders, and the borders were left free. Thank you.
Under war expansion, guilt clause was implemented on German as it was failed to win in the war. It was forced to pay a £6 billion to the Alliance power as it was war compulsion.
Occupying Greenland. The Allied powers occupied a resource area which was rich in all types of terms for a long time. Greenland.
Therefore, to conclude, the Alliance power mentioned the Treaty of Versailles as a peace treaty, but it was completing a harsh and humiliating peace treaty which was signed by the Weimar Republic and the Alliance power. This made Germany a debtor rather than a creditor and gave rise to Nazism and a strong dictator, Adolf Hitler. Thank you.